Lady JJ, the Asampete one of Naija FM don't enter. This is your polka dot Thanksgiving.
Did they give?
They give.
I just wear them.
They give. I like them.
Thank you.
You don't tell I don't see polka dot original one.
Yeah.
Yes. If they get one time say polka dot they rain that time.
That year. I remember.
Rain. Yes, I did.
If you know get polka dot, if you never start to wear polka dot.
I be wear them that time, Sha. I know where. Get some clothes to say I just like them from afar, but I know where. I just make them like. All right, now how have you now, Lady JJ?
I did. Happy New Month.
Happy New Month.
You don't enter the second half of the year.
Second half of the year. I'm like the jubilate. July.
Wow. See, 2025 will start yesterday.
It can't be like say 2025 go take. Like say it go slow.
Yeah.
But
now you run pass.
Anyway,
oh my God.
Make we know they remind people say they won't pay house rent.
My house rent still day front for now December, but I know fear. I know shake because
so for me, all my bills, all my stuff, na December.
Everything what you want.
Everything what all my billings na December.
Yeah. Why December?
I don't know as it take happen no, but I know see my house rent na December, na my waiting they call my office rent too na December. Okay, this new where I just moved to Sha na August September na it be because I've been moving to Ram unexpectedly.
Okay.
As in demolish where I did before, but all my billings na December. I did like to pay everything December and then start the saving again immediately.
Almost immediately. Yeah. Well, my rent na December, so I know shake for that one because some matters don't they prepare towards that one already. Yeah. So if the caretaker won't do bragado because all he did do I tell him say make him just give me like a month this year. So the day where I don't pay the money, whether I know CMO, whether he day high I no understand. He just burst enter my house. I know day I go buy something. So my brother just messaged me say the caretaker don't come it don't swell like bread where they put for inside water. They start say shebi I say 1 month. They waiting me today's date. My brother just look at me, wait for him, make it rake finish. He said, but we don't pay. He said, waiting. And when I pay, I forward the receipt to my brother. So as he said, where he can't show him, he can't look him. It can't be like say then pour water
for him body.
He can't calm down.
Yes, and most caretakers then they like say they build their life on top of that money. Because I've been hearing some wants to recently they say even this caretaker every year when they collect rent now then they collect percentage.
Yes, now they collect percentage.
I don't know. I just enough that just first time they could just collect percentage. Every that thing done.
No, they get percentage. So for inside that rent, once you pay the rent, they don't say it don't set, it don't be. They don't
so
get
landlord they collect money. Caretaker say they collect money
before.
Yeah, as you talk they think of one person I know be caretaker, but the guy na baba.
What's happen?
How your song now? How every day grow?
Well, the song they grow. I did grateful for every step, every growth way I achieve. So on top Spotify, I notice I get like 10 monthly listeners. We get listeners. We say 10 monthly listeners. So I grateful for 10 monthly listeners on top Spotify. I don't know how many streams on top Spotify on top Spotify. For YouTube Music, as at Sunday now about 23 streams. 23. Yeah, so I did grateful for that. Then I checked Boomplay yesterday. Boomplay get about 19.
You don't have Boomplay? Lady JJ, you know small.
It get about 19. Thankful for 19. See, it did people go say the number me no plenty. I beg go. I appreciate every
people we don't do some. We say no give get one stream. We say the person wey stream I mean I am my family.
So the one where I see now they talk. So I did grateful for all that one. For YouTube, subscribers don't reach 198. Well, they almost at 200 subscribers. Views don't reach about 915 as at this morning where I check. So gradually don't they near 1,000 views. And you know they bust my brain in 1 month. All in a month. So it just shocked me because I never experienced this level of the song speed.
The song carry
you know. So I just did really grateful. So I beg us now don't hear me continue to help us push the ministry.
It is important.
Stream,
It is important.
like, share, subscribe. Very important.
All right, so make I quickly talk about this one. Maybe talk about Fubara now.
Fubara, yeah.
Fubara, and then Ogawike
their fight.
Their fight. So then court say they may restore Fubara
back as governor. Okay.
But on some conditions.
Wetin be the conditions?
Now one term go do.
Oh wow. Hey God.
So you get some other conditions too where they there, but say now one term go do. Can't say people they talk say our people they do on for post position say no be election, then they choose them again. Because if to say now by democracy, this now people elect this governor.
Now so they say democracy now for the people, a government for the people, by the people, and waiting again.
Yeah, for the people. Of the people.
Of the people.
Government of the people, by the people, for the people.
Yes. So not say now people oriented. Now people will go say now these people we want. Now this person we want as our governor or as our president. So as it is now, it dey be like say the democracy just be for maths. Now who then decide where go sit down for that seat? Now go come sit down. Then at the end of the day, it not be democracy any longer. I'm sorry.
Then the design say all this godfatherism, day in a lie. But this one they don't show say
godfatherism day. Rotimi Amechi do 2 terms, 8 years. Even Wike do 8 years.
Yes, exactly.
So why in they try stop than somebody else from doing 8 years? They tell and say make you do 1 term. Come on now.
And now because if you don't carry them back now, if they want reinstate them now inside that seat again, though, as governor, see on that condition, say he must do it in only 1 term. He go do.
Why? What did he do? What be this? Why did they drag?
Because then get in father and son, godfather and father son, I be the crime. Now be the issue.
Nigeria. Who do this to us?
Now we because
now we
because people they talk say now for Rivers now they talk say no way, say that closed meeting where they do behind doors waiting be that terms and condition way Fubara agreed to. You understand? Say he suppose not talk say he go agree. He suppose talk if not to do 1 term make Akukuma do it drop the seats or make him come telling people we put am for that. If to say na true say votes they count. Say now people three vote am in and say na their vote counts. Say if to say na true say the votes count to say in suppose come do it go tell people say now carry me put inside this place but then talk say I no go do 2nd term.
Oh God.
So now the question is say waiting why be say then talk say you no go do 2nd time if people choose. So like now if you decide say one come enter position say one do election now say one go contest now they no go allow am.
That from the looks of it, they no go allow him. But on the other hand, get something we been come my head with. Get something we been come my head. Re-election. They don't fit do a re-election. Make the people still decide.
And now the people. So even if you talk say one go for re-election now, you no go fit go again now because Baba don't talk say make I talk for you Baba Sokwe. Baba Sokwe.
Oh Sokwe kini.
No, so they been. I know about Sokwe for doing election.
Also Pekini, keep now so they want they do them. They made them not tell us, made them not come up put and say as candidates say vote for us. Made them kuku just say okay we don't decide who go be your next governor. See am for here, case closed.
Exactly. So are we?
No, because it's at the height of wickedness. Be this now.
Practice democracy like that.
This one not be democracy. It not be democracy any longer. If you go decide if you want decide the destiny of a state, decide who go sit down there, not be democracy anymore. So Kuku say okay, the next term now so and so person XYZ now go be governor. Nobody need to go to any poll. Nobody need to go collect PVC.
Even the stress of that PVC alone. Because now people this morning they talk people don't talk say they, like since 2 days yesterday they say they vote.
We will collect get the PVC then agree us vote. Omoibo, go your state, go vote. If you see the kind dangerous people they use, yeah.
They show you Pepe.
As I reach there, What did they find for here? Omo Igbo. What did they find for here? Yeah.
But you know be Igbo now.
I know be Igbo. I don't understand. But I just tell you the extent of waiting a lot of us go through the last election. So if now waiting the one they do, make them no bother anybody again. We no go hear any story of whether beavers work or work. We no go hear any story of say, oh, the site does one thing. So
you go just like by selection. By selection.
Select who you want. Sit down, make them sit down there. Make we know say, okay, now don't select. Then to they call something democracy, and at the end of the day, it no be democracy.
Because say this local government election say they go on now. Then they do campaign already. And they ask questions, say, why be say you never vote for a local government election before?
I know they bother myself.
Then they make a known.
We go just hear say
person don't.
We always hear that Kiniko. And in fact, even if they get local government Kini, we know they even see the work where they do. I don't tell the story so many times where they live or do they get one particular year. Maybe say once rain starts, the pothole where they did the road is bad. So within the land, I think that the landlords, they can't decide to task all the tenants where they live for that area because they won't fix the road. So then task all the tenants pay. They find people, they've repaired the road. Immediately the local government chairman say, because when they finish, they can't put banner on top, say road repaired by the Association of Landlords in Ojodu. So actually the bride go see him say, oh, now the Association of Landlords together with the tenants. The chairman see him, sharp, he call all of them. Say, I made them come out that banner. Can't find the money. Give
so
them.
Definitely they don't give them the money.
They don't give them the money, but you don't quaff farm now.
Nah, him be that.
You don't make watch it. You don't go.
If we no fit question ordinary councillor.
Exactly.
If we no fit question ordinary no be ordinary.
If we no fit hold our leaders accountable
from the grassroots.
What did make you think say you go fit hold the governor or the senate or the president accountable? It dey start from down. No.
And the most of these councillors and chairman then suppose they for stay for that area. Suppose they be guy from that like that original that guy suppose get family house for that ojuju or make person even know am say now this house in dey stay before he join politics because our local government chairman dey stay for Ikoru that time. Local government chairman for Ikoru that time he dey stay for Magodo.
Imagine the likeness. You go stay for Magodo where he has dey okay, the road dey alright.
Lady J, I say that time dey for Bayeku after Igbogbo. I can't vex one day because any small rain no, Bayeku don dey flooded.
Can you imagine?
Any small rain.
And I get local government chairman.
Local government not far from that area. Like no, just 200 naira bike from my house. I can't go there one day say I dey look for local government chairman. I want submit some things. Say if you help me sign now as indigene. I claim say I be indigene. I can't reach in secretary. I did nice. I did laugh. Madam. She can't talk. Say, okay, make help me call the chairman. The next thing, as in he never come off for house. I say, where in this state? I can't start asking where in this state. Say now, Magodo. In the state for Magodo.
Where hala. You
dey stay for Magodo and you be chairman. You be chairman for
Mushi.
For Ikorodu.
Okay, na Ikorodu.
Say the chairman for Ikorodu. I just say where the connection come. We no even feed act. I no feed do it. We no feed owe them. Accountable.
In fact,
that's why if you go in local government office now, the way they stroll inside. Now to just come sign paper or come out,
that's it,
and do party, then choose Ankara.
If you notice all this whether not chairman or whether at any level, if you notice and their houses they always the high bro areas, the road to their house they always all right. Give one particular senator of some years ago, I don't forget his name. There was one time where they travel. That time when I see they just where they do road trip, go administration with Popsy. You get one place where we pass, they say, Naija be this. He build mosque inside in compound. But if you see the road where lead
to that
from
place.
I think from the junction abi where to im house. If you see how clean that road be, it dey alright. But any other road where they
So people don't deserve am.
I tire.
Now the question is, how much be the salary of a chairman? If you want to talk and say, okay, na minimum wage, I say, how much be the salary for the councillor? Where we say councillor, they stay. You know how much did they rent house for Magodo? Did they stay?
And not be them they pay from their pocket. To hope you know. Not be them they pay from their pocket.
That's when they cut every ticket. If you carry load for head, say you dey sell market for inside any street now, they go give you tickets. Those korokpe, those small bus, they collect tickets for park. Na pep, they collect tickets.
Bike, Okada, they collect ticket. So, as it is now, sef, this
people they sell food, even the
Kai now. Once they just see Kai, we see how they go just pack their things, they run. And sometimes I dey pity them. All the people they sell because they want make at least even if na 2K, make them see food chop. That's not legitimate labor. Which effort you they even make to encourage these people? None. But once you see them on the road, you could come they harass them. Then when the ones when they cash, they could put them inside their
then they demolish. Then go that's the one they demolish.
So the people where they catch and they put inside their truck. I'll be waiting now for waiting. What they want jail them for?
See then the hawk for where Lagos the government have no hawk. Then they pass the road.
Now what? Anyway. I tell you, say get one particular get one biscuit where they call it start with pure. You go know.
Okay.
You know the biscuit. PB.
PB, yeah.
So the one where they for inside blue
wrapper.
The chop biscuit. Wait. So this particular day now, I dey find am. I nearly won't go by. Now I see this official from the car. Grab the tray, go put them for inside the car. As he put them for inside the car, he carry one, lock the car, carry one, open them, they chop. So now question I said, this people that they say now officials will go there. You sure say no be their belly that they find? You sure?
No, then if you go Lagos Island, I did not at the patronize Lagos Island, I did buy material. You where be say go buy something. If you carry load for your head, as in you, they go collect money for your hand. So you get some certain bag where we say if you pack load inside them, some Ghana must go. No, this Ghana must go. If you buy market inside that Ghana must go. Put them for your head. They will collect money for your hand.
Oh, wow.
It won't stop me that time now. I carry load. I won't go put them inside motor. Contact say stop. I say what's happen? He say owo wada. Money owo yen melo. He say then go say buy market. I suppose pay. Then go give me. I suppose stay inside I can't drop my load. I can't tell and say, you know wait, before I go fit give you 1 naira for here, you go pack this my load, carry and follow me. And say, who I be? I say I don't do anybody, but this load, if I fit give you 1 naira,
you must carry them.
You know how much they collect from those Alabadu?
How many they collect?
Alabadu they collect, they pay 1,000 naira.
Wow.
So if Alabadu carry, so sometimes if Alabadu charge you, now because they then go pay
those
from
people.
that money.
It doesn't make money.
Anyway, sir, this one talk say, good morning, Lady J. The era of politics we are into is no longer democracy. It is selectracy.
Selectracy.
Samuel Oluwasegun.
Thank you, Samuel Oluwasegun.
Okay, we don't see your message. This last one, make I talk to someone just take end time. A man is not built to be with one woman sexually. Who talk?
I don't know. Oh God. So did they bring all this one now?
Don't spark fresh debates yesterday.
Oh, okay. Talk yesterday.
Yes, say one man. Say a man is not built to be with one woman sexually. If you marry one woman,
then if it they take the other women.
If they do,
you okay?
Away match.
Shebi.
Make I read. Wait.
Oh yeah, okay.
It's not say. Nigeria Miss Legend Baba in don't stay conversation online with a bold statement about the male sexuality. In a recent clip making rounds, Baba said, "A man is not built to sexually be with one woman. Rather, a man can love one woman, die, but it is impossible for a man to sexually be with one woman only. It is the biology of a man."
Now, in own biology be that too.
Maybe he's right.
Is he right in what way? Shebi, I no do again. Shebi na Natasha. Don't worry, tomorrow na Anastasia. It happen. It go happen. An Anastasia from Anastasia, you go enter Carolina. From Carolina, it go be Angelina. From Angelina, it go. No. She be man. No, they built for one woman. Now for plenty,
no,
be.
Oh, see, man, if you marry one wife.
We they talk the same thing now. She be you marry one wife, then you go get Angelina for corner. You go get Anastasia for corner. What be her name again? Sandra go follow. No problem.
But don't say traditional wise, he dey proven right.
Proven right in what way?
So from my own state now, Bayelsa State, Ijo. If you marry 5, if you marry 7.
You won't marry 5 and 7, abi?
No, now I say you fit. My papa no marry more than 1. You understand? But my uncles, one of my uncle, fine Uncle Mike, he marry sisters.
He marry his sisters?
No, marry sisters, like after he married this one, he can't like the
sister. He can't marry them.
Yes. So traditionally, so some traditions dey. If you marry, if I talk someone marry you now, I tell you say, okay, I be from this tribe. Oh. Some tribe no, so and then then they fight am now.
All of now they talk this guy small, but I won't follow to Baba Abi.
No, now. That's okay. In talk say because you are supposed to be with one woman as a wife, but every other person can help you.
Who can help you? Wetin Bible talk? A man shall leave his father and his mother and shall cleave to his
wife.
Say wives.
Now so you talk say wives now. You can marry one wife.
So you can't marry which kind helpers of destiny? No help there for there. Na katakata chaos go enter inside there. Go see wahala o. But I hear you.
Normal to an extent to men everyday polygamous in nature.
So you una get just this funny way of justifying una actions.
Not to justify now, but because na true. Okay, check all our traditional rulers. If then they choose now. If you kept capacity to do it to all land, to all the ground. If you go some Orthodox churches.
I greet Lady J. Lady J, I greet you. Good morning.
I greet you. Good morning.
No one greets me.
Fine, no.
Wait, cool down. Me and Lady J they on the same page. I know if you marry 2 wives. Lie. No matter how I get the money reach. You hear me?
I don't answer.
Why you no answer?
Okay, now you know answer. Let's just talk say this one where they talk say 2 wives dey your eye.
Maybe now 4.
Maybe now 4.
Traditionally,
more Pastor Sam Hey,
make I help my papa.
No.
Get out. Bye.
Which one be get out?
Like it don't make sense. It
don't make sense. So
I get the manpower. I get the capacity.
No be
which capacity? You will be soft. You will be softy. You will be softy. Which manpower? Hey. You know what more wahala o? Hey.
Hello, Lady J.
Sir?
My grandfather married 2 wives. They no end well. You no end well at all. You no end well. Even my papa, we marry 1 wife, say. You know end where he don't leave us.
Ew.
You understand? He don't leave us for about 7 years. Before later on we call you say he died.
Ew.
You dey see him. So me I'm the kind of things where me I don't see where they happen for polygamy. You understand? 1 wife, 2 wives, 3 wives. I know like her. So I don't want to experience that kind. No matter how the money where me I get, lie for this life. You better me I no marry. Me I know say na boyfriend and girlfriend they do.
Okay, so if you get the money, you can't marry. But if you do other things, sir, if you get side chicken, side
like cheating.
No, but it's side chicken.
Don't be cheat. No.
Na turkey. Na turkey.
District. Bye.
Hey.
All right, to make us see this, I say, Lady J, when it comes to polygamy, it's your life, your choices, and my life, my choices. Two Baba self gets his own choice. Personally, I don't believe in polygamy, but we are all different now. Richard
I get
from Lagos.
My own, I say maybe because based on in history, it gets how many baby mamas.
Yes.
Now you can't marry, and if you say in the marriage for how many years? For 10 years, you can't decide say you know waiting, we know do again. Now you don't marry somebody else. nice in eyes to the outside.
No, so but no, okay, ladies and gentlemen, can tell you something. Some guys, sometimes men they more active. They still they active past woman.
Oh man,
this
I'm
man
active.
still want. Oh man, I guess. So you just now. So that kind of thing. The man still want, he still want do some things, but they dull him now. So anyways, when I say go be today, I don't wear my shoe already with my palazzo trouser, and then we can hand over now to Lady JJ. We wear polka dots, black and white. I will come back tomorrow to say good morning to una again. Remember, I said now July we don't enter, so make sure say your plans, written it, drop ammo, do as you want, make the end be for you. I dey go to come back tomorrow.
It's so funny how time goes by, yeah.